Okay.
This is to inform the entire voting public, the citizens of Benue State and Nigeria, that after due consultation with the Benue people in the 3 senatorial zones, Benue has resolved to cast their votes for the People's Democratic Party. We are resolved to join the rest of Nigerians to elect former Vice President, His Excellency Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria on February 25th, 2003. February 2023. We hereby call on all Benue people to vote for PDP candidates, beginning from Atiku Abubakar as President and all PDP senatorial and House of Representative candidates. This is the best deal for the Benue people. That is our resolution as the 3 senators representing the good people of Benue. And we are firmly committed to that because we have consulted widely with our people, and our people are solidly standing with us. And we have no doubt that on the 25th, Atiku will win Benue overwhelmingly emphasized. Once again, let's thank the Benue people for accepting to vote for Alhaji Atiku. Let's thank the people of Nigeria for voting for Atiku. God bless us all. Between us and the governor, because the governor have also said that he's not stopping any person from doing Atiku. He is also doing his own thing. So there's no quarrel. But we are PDP members, so we cannot afford to do anti-party. We are solid PDP, elected PDP senators. And the people had confidence in PDP, that is why they elected us. And so we cannot do anything otherwise than to vote for PDP, canvass for the person that the party decided on. As a party man, if a party decide on a candidate, a good party man follows. So we are good party people, so we are going to follow the decision of the party who elected Atiku as a candidate for the party.
Thank you very much.